Hello guys, this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. All right, guys. So, guys, I want to take you on an adventure. Come on now, an adventure of growing a small trading account. $46 accounts to $500 account. I mean, $46 accounts to what? To $500 account. From $46 accounts, growing small trading account, small forex trading account. So I want to grow. What am I saying? I want to grow this forex account from $46 to $500. I want you to follow me on this journey. Follow me on this journey. You know, my intention is to achieve this thing within a week. You say, come on now. My intention is to achieve this thing within a week, actually. So that means it should be that means it should be like 7 days or 10 days journey, or let me just say 2 weeks because of the weekend. So let me say it should be like 10 days journey, right? 10 days journey. 10 days is too far though, but let's say 10 days journey. So just follow me. Let's see if we are going to be able to grow this accounts to that level, to that level, guys. So $46 accounts to $500 account, trading small forex account, growing small forex account, growing small forex account. So I want you to follow me closely. Watch all the strategies that I'm going to use, every information that I'm going to give out, and every step that I take. Please make sure you watch me closely. And okay, don't let me talk about that now. So let's get into the real thing. So let me consider the one I want to show you now. Let me consider the one I want to show you now as the one. So I will consider the one I want to show you now as what? As the one. Let's get into the real thing, guys. Yeah. Someone said it's been a while that I boosted the morale trading with small trading account size. Like, it's been a while, so I want to boost the morale right now. A morale booster. So I want to boost the morale right now. So this is a small trading account. I think it's $45 or $46 account. Yeah, $45 or $46 account. So I'm going to grow this account. I'm going to grow this account. So I want you to follow me closely and see how I'm going to grow this $46 account. See, and I want to grow it aggressively. Don't grow it aggressively if you are growing your don't grow it aggressively, but I will tell you the things to consider. So I'm going to grow this account right now, and I want to use this UJ trade. This UJ trade now. Okay, you know what? I'm going to enter small position in case I don't want the price to go to really go against me like that. So I'm going to enter an immediate sell position. Then after entering the immediate sell position, then I'm going to wait for it to come and trigger the limit that I set here. I'm going to wait for it to trigger the limit that I set here. So let me do that right now. So the reason why I want to enter this current trade that is going right now, I'm going to show us the analysis. So that is 0.02. That is 0.02. That's too high though. But I told you I want to trade this thing aggressively. I'm going to place another sell limit here, which is going to be 134,558. 134,558. 134,558. I pray I don't blow this account. This is an aggressive trade. 134,558. 134,558. 0.2. All right. So I've already placed the limit right now. I've already placed my limit right now. You can see that it is just this is over trading. Don't do this. So don't if you do it at owner's risk. So you can see the drawdown already. You can see the drawdown already. So you can see that means if it draws down like that. Okay, let's even calculate our risk because this is like a full margin trade. Full margin. You see 0.05, 0.05, 0.02. See, I'm coming. Let me change it to 0.02. Don't let us be too greedy. Let's change it to 0.02, guys. So this one, I'm going to edit this one. I'm going to change it to 134. Oh, sorry. What am I doing now? We're just editing the lot size. We just want to edit the lot size. Yeah. 0.02 because I don't want you to come and be like me. Let's copy this. It's not going, but let's copy this right now. Then we enter sell limit. Then we place 0.02. Yeah. So anyone we have done, we're supposed to delete it. We've done this one, we delete you. So let's check another one right now. Let's check this one. That is 135,030. Copy. Sell limit. The funniest thing is price may not even get there before it will shoot down. 135,030. But notwithstanding, let's follow the proper thing. Let's do the proper thing. Let's do what we're supposed to do. So I don't want us to say because I did something, I do it success. We don't even know if this account is going to blow away. But notwithstanding, let's do what's right. 134,710 for this one. Let's copy it right now. Let's enter our sell limit. Let's paste it. That's 134,710. So let's delete this one. So this one is another one. 0.0. It's 13. Let's edit this one. Let's copy it. Let's reset it. Sell limit. Paste. And let us delete it. Right here. All right, so that means we are now having everything on 0.02 on 0.02. That means by the time we had everything 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So all these things are just 0.1 lot size, 0.1 lot size. Plus this one is going to make it to be 0.12 lot size. Yes, that is a very high risk now, high risk to this account. That's not supposed to be, but because I only trade like this once in a while, and the once in a while is because I do this anytime I see my setup. Why did I take this trade? Why do I have this confidence to enter this trade like this? Why? What brought about this confidence to enter this trade like this? I'm going to show us, guys. I'm going to show us. And the main party is going to happen when price broke this trend line here. Anything that will make price to break this trend line, just know that we are in a very sweet position. But notwithstanding, I will update on this. A risk. I'm not putting stop loss anywhere. This is how I used to grow my small trading accounts. If I want see my setup, I will leave it even if price goes against me. This is all I want to risk for one trade. I mean, for sometimes it can be 2 trades. If it's 2 trades, I'm going to divide all this into 2. But now it's just 1 trade. So let us wait and see what price we actually deliver for us. Let's see what price we actually deliver for us. And after that, I will now come and analyze this trade. I will analyze this trade for us to actually see if what I used to talk about works. Should I analyze now? Do you want me to analyze now? All right, let's wait and see what the price will give for us. So after the first reaction of the price, then I will tell us 1 or 2 things. The second reaction, I will tell us 1 or 2 things. The third and other reaction, because I actually want it to sell to probably this level, or this level. This should be the first take profit, second take profit, and the third take profit. Then others will now what? Others will now follow. But notwithstanding, let's see what price is going to deliver for us. Let's see what price is going to deliver for us, guys. Let's see what price is going to deliver for us. We are growing small account, $46 account. So we want to multiply the accounts. Yes, let us multiply the accounts. Let's multiply the accounts. Let's multiply the accounts. Yes, we want to double the accounts with this one trade. We want to double the accounts, guys. But the reason why I'm scared for you guys is that so that you not come and say because I don't put stop loss here and you too will not put stop loss. I told you it's my own personal strategy to grow small trading accounts and my own personal setup. It's because I saw my setup playing now. That is why I'm doing this thing. It doesn't mean you should come and do the same thing. No, don't blow your account. Don't blow your account. Guys, something happened that I'm not really happy about, but it doesn't stop us from achieving our goal. And what happened was that I forgot the leverage I forgot the leverage that I am on. That's the advantage on using a good leverage anytime you want to grow a small trading account. So because of the leverage that I am, one of the trigger that's supposed to happen there just disappeared. So it did not trigger because of I'm using a very tight leverage. So I couldn't place more orders. So it's very sad. I forgot. So I supposed to be in a massive profit right now, but notwithstanding, this one position should be able to hold us at least to an extent. Now we are just on $5, just ranging around $5. But let's see what happens. At least we should be able to take this trade to. Let's see what happens. Just stay close, guys. At least we are still expecting it to fall. And as we can see, I marked out the area of liquidity. Right here. So price broke below this area of liquidity. It came back to retest again. Adding being, I have more buying power. Yeah, I could have sold this trade right from here, but the leverage I entered is limiting me. So now I'm going to hold this one position, which is a very good risk management. Yeah. All right, guys. Let's take. Yeah, guys, you can see it. I'm not happy actually. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yes, everything played out, and if you see right now, this is a very good trade. This is a very good trade. But what happened? All the position that I set, all the limits that I set did not trigger just because of the leverage that I used. So had there been all those positions triggered, this like right now, this is 0.2 and I set 0.05. That means right now I should be having nothing less than, let me just say, 2 times. I should not be having anything less than 200 or 300 profits, $300 profits. Yes, I should not be having anything less than $300 profit. But it's so painful, actually. It's so painful. But notwithstanding, I think I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that I know what I'm doing. I don't do a guesswork. This is just the real deal. Excuse me. This is just the real deal. This is just the real deal. So once you have the ability to grow you have a trading strategy that works, and you have everything that it takes to be successful in trading, just go for it. You can see how this thing is growing aggressively. Like you can see how it's growing aggressively, and it just got to the take profit points that I told us. Yes, it just got to the take profit point that I told us. So this is how to do this thing. If you want to trade just like this, just feel free. And this particular trade, I updated you guys on Telegram, and also on WhatsApp and across the social media platform. I told you that this is going to be a free money. Yeah, you can see the setup here. I told you guys that this is going to be a free money. I told you guys on WhatsApp that it's going to be a free money, and I also said the same thing on Telegram. Yeah, you can see it right here. I said free money to you all. You can shift your stop loss and all that. So I updated you guys, like I updated you you guys about this particular trade, about this trade setup. So that is it. I think I'm just going to close this trade. I've lost the vibe that I wanted to use to I actually lost the vibe. I see this is so obvious that the result is achieved. Yes, this is so obvious. But what if all those triggers, all those limits, what if they are able to just go in my direction? And I want to point your attention to something. Yes, it's very important. I say this thing. It's very important. I say this. If you look at this place, this is stop hunt. This is stop hunt. And I didn't mean I put my stop loss there. It would have took me out of the trade and come back in profit. So because I know all these things, and the reason why I did not put stop loss, I told us the reason why I did not put stop loss. And also, if you look at this place, it shows some liquidity levels again. So I also knew there is probability of them coming again. So I didn't mean it took me out and I'm not in, because it gave another opportunity for me to re-enter the trader. But if I wasn't available to re-enter the traders at that time, that means it will take me out and it will not, that kind of thing. So it's part of the reason why I just put the money I can afford to lose, and I just go for it once and for all, especially for my small trading accounts. So this is how it is, and this is how we roll. If you want to trade just like this, just enroll in my premium mentorship. You will learn very fast. I mean, very fast, and you will learn very well. You will learn very fast, and you will learn very well. Yeah, you will learn very fast, and you will learn very well. This is your guy Michael. This is a special video on how to grow a small trading account, and I use $46 account. You can see that I did not have any drawdown. It's the same amount we used to enter, the same amount we are right now, and this is just this. And it took me how many days? This is 13th of June, and today is what? Today is 16th of June. So it took me 3 days. This is the 30th day. This is the 30th day holding this trade. So that means if I can grow a small account like this, I can grow a big account in the same manner, which I also showed an example of a particular account that I grew using the same trade. Check my channel. You're going to see it. You're going to see. So this is how we grow, and this is how we roll. This is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. I'm going to close this trade right now. All right, guys. Do you know I forgot to close this trade, and that's so sad. That's sad. I'm closing this trade right now. All right, so we have $65 now. So I want to enter another trade on EU. I want to enter another trade on EU right now. All right, so I'm entering another trade on EU right now. So I'm buying EU. So let's see what this trade is going to deliver for us. I cannot buy more. Okay, I can still buy. All right, guys. Can I still buy? Okay, I can't buy again. So this is the journey. Of this. How many accounts? How much is the account again? $46 account. Yeah. So this is the journey of the $46 account. So we want to see how far or how much we can grow this account. So this is another trade on Euro USD. So let's see if this trade is going to deliver something spectacular for us. It's so sad that I did not close this trade on time, and I've already lost like how many this thing now. Like I've lost up. It's $30 before, and it's so sad. But notwithstanding, it doesn't stop me from achieving the goal. It's journey of 45 to what? Journey of $46 account and to $500 account. So let's see. To $500. Yeah, from $46 to $500. So let's see how everything will go. I wish I can be able to click more buys. But notwithstanding, let's see how everything goes. Guys.